A few years ago, I met someone who wore simple clothes, used an old phone, and never talked about money. Yet he never stressed about bills, invested calmly during market crashes, and had the freedom to say no to things he didn't value. That's when I realized something powerful. Real wealth often hides in plain sight. Here's the attention-grabbing truth. Many people who look rich are financially fragile, and many people who look ordinary are quietly wealthy. So ask yourself, what if you're closer to wealth than you think? What if the signs of real money success aren't visible on Instagram at all? In this video, I'll break down 10 powerful, often overlooked signs that you're already developing stealth wealth traits, how they quietly compound into financial freedom, and how to strengthen them starting today. Watch till the end, because one of these signs can completely change how you see your financial progress. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. Sign 1. You feel zero. Urgency to impress anyone. There's a moment in life when the need to prove yourself just disappears. Not because you gave up, but because you moved ahead. Secretly, rich people don't rush to show success because their confidence isn't funded by external validation. It's backed by assets, equity growth, and long-term financial security. Most people think wealth looks like urgency. Posting wins, upgrading lifestyle fast, signaling status early. But that urgency is often debt-driven. Quietly wealthy individuals move differently. They delay gratification instinctively. They don't feel threatened by silence because their money is working in dividend stocks, index funds like the S&P 500, ETFs, and tax-efficient investment accounts. The mistake most people make is assuming confidence comes from recognition. In reality, confidence comes from optionality, the ability to walk away, say no, and choose peace over applause. People with stealth wealth optimize for net worth, not clout. They care more about portfolio diversification than public approval. Sign 2. Your lifestyle grows slower than your income. One of the clearest signs of hidden wealth is restraint. Not forced restraint, but chosen restraint. When income rises, most people upgrade everything immediately. House, car, subscriptions, social circle. But stealth wealth grows income faster than expenses. This gap is where capital is born. According to J.P. Morgan data, households that delay lifestyle inflation by just 5 years accumulate nearly 2.3x more net worth over 2 decades than those who upgrade early, even with the same salary. Quietly wealthy individuals understand a brutal truth. Lifestyle inflation kills compounding. Every extra dollar locked into fixed expenses is a dollar removed from long-term investing, dividend reinvestment, DRIP, or equity appreciation. Choosing a reliable car over a luxury one, not because you can't afford it, but because the difference invested into growth stocks or index funds could turn into $250,000 plus over time. Stealth wealth doesn't look exciting in the moment. It looks boring, predictable, almost invisible. But boring money strategies beat emotional ones every time. Sign 3. Money no longer controls your emotions. When you stop obsessing over money, it often means money has stopped controlling you. Secretly wealthy people don't panic at market volatility. They don't overreact to headlines. They understand bear vs bull market cycles because they've studied stock market psychology and risk management. The average person ties self-worth to bank balance fluctuations. Quietly, rich people tie self-worth to systems, automated investing, asset allocation, diversified portfolios. The mistake people make is checking balances daily and reacting emotionally. That behavior leads to panic selling, poor timing, and long-term underperformance. Ask yourself, if the market dropped 20% tomorrow, would I feel fear or opportunity? Stealth wealth sees corrections as discounts, not disasters. They understand compound growth requires patience, and patience requires emotional regulation. And here's the twist. This calm doesn't come from having more money. It comes from having clarity, which brings us to the next sign that almost nobody talks about. Sign 4. You know your exact numbers, but don't talk about them. Quietly rich people are deeply aware of their financial position, but almost never discuss it. They know their net worth, asset allocation, cash flow, dividend income, tax exposure, and long-term projections. Yet they don't share numbers at dinners or online. High net worth individuals track finances 2.5 times more frequently than average earners, yet talk about money significantly less. The mistake most people make is confusing secrecy with ignorance. In reality, silence often signals mastery. Stealth wealth understands that privacy is an asset. The more people know about your money, the more opinions, expectations, and risks you invite. A simple self-check question. Do I manage my money quietly or explain it loudly? True wealth doesn't need validation, it needs protection. Sign 5. You value time more than saving small money. At some stage, wealthy thinking shifts from how can I save more money to how can I protect my time. This is a subtle but powerful sign of stealth wealth. People who are quietly rich understand that money can be earned again, but time never returns. That's why they stop obsessing over tiny discounts, endless comparisons, or saving a few dollars if it costs hours of mental energy. Most people believe being smart with money means squeezing every expense. In reality, that mindset often traps them in low-value decisions. Instead of chasing bargains, stealth wealth thinkers invest in efficiency. They automate bills, use reliable services, choose convenience when it protects mental bandwidth, and free up time to focus on long-term investing, portfolio management, and skill growth. They understand that an hour saved can later convert into equity growth, business leverage, or passive income from stocks and ETFs. Once time becomes your most protected asset, wealth starts accelerating quietly, and that naturally changes how far ahead you plan in life. Sign 6. Your goals are long-term, quiet, and mostly invisible. One of the strongest indicators of secret wealth is having goals that don't need applause. Stealth wealth individuals plan their lives in decades, not quarters. They think about retirement portfolios, compound interest, capital appreciation, and financial freedom long before results show up externally. Quietly, wealthy people delay announcements because they understand something important. Focus leaks when too many people are watching. Data shows that investors with long-term horizons outperform short-term traders by a wide margin, even when contributing less annually, simply because consistency beats excitement. When your goals become long-term and private, your financial behavior automatically becomes disciplined, and that discipline completely reshapes how you take risks. Sign number 7. You take fewer risks, but they're smarter and bigger. Secretly, rich people don't gamble. They position themselves. They avoid flashy, emotional risks and instead take fewer, well-researched bets that benefit from time and probability. This makes them look conservative on the surface, but their results often outperform aggressive risk-takers. Most people think wealth comes from bold moves made quickly. In reality, wealth comes from asymmetric decisions, limited downside, large upside. That's why stealth wealth individuals prefer diversified stock portfolios, index funds, dividend-paying ETFs, and businesses with predictable cash flow over speculative hype. Frequent trading, trend chasing, and reacting to market noise often destroy long-term returns. Studies consistently show that investors who trade less and stay invested outperform emotional traders by several percentage points annually, which compounds into millions over time. Sign number 8. You're comfortable being underestimated. One of the greatest hidden advantages of stealth wealth is the freedom that comes from being underestimated. When people don't expect much from you financially, pressure disappears. There's no need to maintain appearances, prove success, or live up to an image. Individuals who operate without social expectations experience lower stress and higher strategic clarity. Quiet wealth understands that visibility often creates obligations, while invisibility creates options. Most people crave recognition early because it feels like success. Stealth wealth thinkers delay recognition intentionally. They let results speak much later, when their financial foundation is already unshakable. Number 9. You spend money to buy peace, not status. Secret wealth spends money differently. Instead of status symbols, spending is directed toward reducing stress, increasing flexibility, and protecting health and focus. Peace becomes the ultimate return on investment. Financial well-being is more strongly linked to a sense of control and security than to income level itself. That's why stealth wealth individuals are willing to spend on comfortable environments, reliable systems, and tools that reduce daily friction. but avoid spending just to impress others. The mistake most people make is assuming happiness scales with lifestyle upgrades. In reality, happiness scales with predictability, autonomy, and low financial anxiety. Quiet wealth buys the ability to say no to toxic jobs, bad deals, and unnecessary pressure. Ask yourself, does this purchase make my life calmer or just more visible? When peace becomes the goal, money stops leaking into ego and starts reinforcing freedom, which brings us to the final and most misunderstood sign of all. Sign number 10. You don't feel rich, you feel secure. This is the ultimate stealth wealth trait. You don't wake up feeling rich, you wake up feeling safe. Safe from emergencies, safe from financial panic, safe from depending on a single paycheck. True wealth doesn't shout, it stabilizes. Many people who look rich are highly leveraged, stressed, and dependent on constant income. Meanwhile, those who feel secure often have diversified portfolios, emergency reserves, long-term investments, and passive income streams quietly working in the background. The biggest misconception is believing wealth is about excitement. In truth, wealth feels calm, boring, predictable. And that's exactly why it lasts. A final question to reflect on. If income stopped tomorrow, how long would my life stay unchanged? The longer the answer, the closer you already are to real wealth. If you watch this far, write "I deserve prosperity" if you're done doubting yourself. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Now, if you're curious about 10 tiny money tweaks that will make you rich, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.